What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a first look at the DTNO F6 Smartwatch fitness tracker. Now, this smartwatch goes for about anywhere from $30 to $50 on depending on the website and seller that you choose to get this watch from. I'm gonna have my affiliate link that will take it to eBay and to trusted sellers where you can actually purchase this watch for about that price range. And if you guys do decide to purchase this watch after, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Now, before we begin, if you guys have not yet already, please subscribe to my channel, as you guys don't want to miss out on my weekly new videos on the latest reviews on gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. Now let's dive right in. This is a more rugged smartwatch than some of the other smartwatches out there. As you can tell, it's got a very rigid feel to it, so you know that it's very protected and it's not going to get damaged very easily. This watch comes with 4 buttons that controls the functions, and it has a very nice look and feel to it. It connects to a charging cable, which it comes with through a magnetic charger, which is nice, so you don't have to plug anything in really, you just snap it right on. It also has the fitness sensor right here, so you know that it's going to be able to take your heart rate and your blood pressure. So you know it's going to be included within this watch. So it's very nice for for something that's about $30 to $50. Now let's turn this watch on. Now we are going to go through some of the basic functions of this watch, namely the fitness functions, where we can actually get a reading while I am here sedentarily. So we're going to browse through the watch by pressing the lower left hand button. And you're going to press start once you want to get into a mode. And then once you get into an option, you will want to browse through using the lower left hand button again. So that is just a starter. So if you don't want to go through the instruction manual, you can basically use these 2 buttons right here, and that can navigate you through the watch pretty easily. If you want to actually take a reading for your heart rate monitor, you snap this right on when you're on the mode, and as you can tell, the fitness sensor is blinking, so it's ready to actually take your heart rate reading. So once you're on, you want to take another a reading again. That was probably not the most steady. So you want to go back to the medical icon right here, and then you want to press and hold the start. And when it's blinking, you know that it's going to take it's actually taking a reading. So it's about 50-ish. So that sounds about normal to me. It doesn't seem like it's off, but it is fluctuating quite a bit. I'm not sure if that's because it's still in reading mode or it's waiting to settle down. So when you get your reading, you definitely want to check it against something that's reliable before you trust the watch any further for any further readings. If it gives you something ridiculous, then you know not to trust the watch. But if it's in a good range, then I would try to cross-reference that with something else before trusting it further. But I just know that it's not ridiculous. So okay, that seems to be a normal range for me. Now let's go through the blood pressure. Actually, it does not look like this watch comes with the blood pressure monitor, so only the heart rate monitor. So that's a little disappointing. I thought it was going to come with both because of the fitness sensor. But that's okay, because this watch still comes with a few sports modes where you can actually measure calories burnt over a time period if depending on the sports mode that it comes with and the one that you're actually doing, such as cycling. Now let's try to get back out of this mode and see what other sports modes it comes with. So it comes with running, cycling, basketball, swimming, table tennis, badminton, climbing, football. So if you're actually interested in actually keeping track of all the sports you play and the data that is associated with all the sports that you play, this is actually a pretty good watch to go with it, because it does let you store data according to some of the sports it comes with. So you can actually keep track of, how you're doing while you're playing those sports. Also comes with the message notification, which is extra nice. And if you want to keep track of steps, calories, distance. So very basic, but it's nice for something about $30 to $50. And for its looks. For this price, I do recommend this watch. Something that I don't like about this watch is because it does use 4 buttons instead of just 1 button, which kind of does make it confusing. But I like the look of this watch, and it does look better than some of the other watches with the similar class and functions at its similar price. So for this reason, I do recommend this watch. And this concludes our short video for the DTM1 F6 Smartwatch fitness tracker today. If you guys do plan to purchase a watch, you guys can use my affiliate link in the video description below. And I will earn a commission, no extra cost to you. And I'll see you guys next time. Do not forget to subscribe.